Are you ready to explore one of the most exciting and fun-to-drive vehicles to ever hit the beach? Meet the Volkswagen Beach Buggy, the retro-inspired dune cruiser that brings back the magic of surfside freedom, with a modern electric twist. This isn't your average city car. The VW Beach Buggy is all about bold design, rugged tires, open-air adventure, and turning heads wherever you go. It's designed to make every ride feel like a vacation, whether you're coasting along a coastline or blazing a trail through the dunes. Let's rewind to its roots. Originally inspired by the Myers-Manson classic Beetle-based buggies of the 60s, Volkswagen brought back the spirit of free-spirited driving, but with 21st-century engineering. That means zero emissions, instant torque, and pure electric fun. Underneath the quirky body is VW's MEB electric platform, the same one used in the ID series. That means it packs serious capability. The concept version of the Beach Buggy boasted a 62 kWh battery pack, 201 horsepower, and an estimated range of around 155 miles on a single charge. That's plenty for a day of exploring off-road trails or cruising beachside highways. And because it's electric, it delivers power instantly to the wheels. It's all about torque and traction, just what you need when you're climbing sand dunes or racing across a rocky path. One of the coolest things about the Volkswagen Beach Buggy is its modular design. No roof. No doors. Just an open frame, bucket seats, and a waterproof interior. That's right, you can hose it down after a muddy adventure or a salty splash. And check out that styling. The LED headlights have a friendly vibe, the neon green accents scream summer fun, and the whole silhouette is designed to remind you of those old-school dune buggies, but with a slick modern twist. Inside, it's minimal but functional. Everything you need is waterproof and rugged. It's more about the experience than luxury, but still offers digital displays, Bluetooth connectivity, and even wireless charging in the concept. Now you might be wondering, what's the expected price if VW makes this available to the public? Based on current EV costs and modular production estimates, the expected price of the Volkswagen Beach Buggy could fall around $35,000 to $40,000. That's competitive for a unique EV with such bold character and off-road capabilities. Imagine pulling up at a beach party or driving through town in one of these, guaranteed attention wherever you go. It's not just a car, it's a lifestyle. And yes, while it's still a concept, VW has shown serious interest in exploring niche electric vehicles, especially for enthusiasts and lifestyle markets. If public interest is strong enough, we could see a limited production run in the near future. Now let's talk performance again. While it's not a drag racer, the instant torque from its electric motor means it can go from 0 to 60 in under 7 seconds. Not bad for something that looks like a toy but drives like a grown-up beast. Safety-wise, VW's Beach Buggy concept includes roll protection, off-road suspension, and rugged tires to handle tough terrain. It's built to take on sand, dirt, and gravel, no problem. What makes it stand out from other off-roaders? It's electric, it's eco-friendly, and it's got that unmistakable retro-cool charm that makes people smile just by looking at it. No other brand blends heritage and tech quite like VW. If you're a collector, a beach lover, or just someone who loves fun cars, this is one vehicle you need to keep an eye on. It's not just about utility, it's about personality, adventure, and a bit of rebellion. The Beach Buggy isn't built for commuting. It's built for memories. For road trips with no plan, for sunrise drives along the coast, and for the kind of fun you can't schedule. And yes, it's built to be customizable. Imagine changing out the panels, repainting it with wild colors, or adding your own mods. VW envisions it as a blank canvas for your creativity. The off-road community has been buzzing about this. EVs have always been a bit too clean for the mud-loving crowd, but this changes the game. It's the first electric vehicle that looks like it was born to get dirty. VW has said if there's enough demand, the Beach Buggy could go into low-volume production. So if you love this idea, make some noise. The more people talk, the more likely it becomes real. Now imagine a sunny day, a light breeze, and your Beach Buggy waiting to roll. No noise, no emissions, just you, the road, and endless possibilities. Sounds like a dream? It could be your next ride. We'll keep you updated with every new development around the VW Beach Buggy, concept confirmations, test drives, release news, and official pricing updates, right here. So if you love cars that are bold, electric, and just downright fun, make sure to subscribe to Car Updater M5G. We bring you the latest, the coolest, and the most unexpected vehicles from all over the world. Hit that like button, share this video with your car-loving friends, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. This was all about the Volkswagen Beach Buggy, the EV that dares to have fun. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next adventure, only on Car Updater M5G.